So if you want to learn how to make your videos on YouTube and Google, the first page, especially YouTube, every single time, no matter what company you're providing, you're in the right place. So this is everything I do is based around an old school strategy that still works like gangbusters, but I'm going to 10x it, okay? This is blogging, okay? So but we're not just going to do the blogging the traditional way with WordPress or owning your own, put it on your own domain. This particular site, Home Badass Network, has 13 years of they've been posting. So we're going to piggyback off their authority, okay, and earn more money and rank our stuff much faster, okay? But the way I'm going to do it is like nobody else is teaching, okay? But I'm not hiding this stuff. I want you to succeed, okay? So you're going to join me in a Badass Network if you want to rank everything. So I'm taking it to the next level because I'm not only basing everything off of my blog, but I'm also recording my blog, and I'm also recording my posts on social media. Okay, so in 2026, everything is listening. Whether it's a bot or a search engine, Facebook, YouTube, they're all listening. Okay, you ever looked on? I'll give you an example. You ever looked up something on Google, and then Facebook starts showing you that particular thing all the time? They're watching. Okay, they're listening. Okay, so I'm going to record myself doing this video, and it's going to be listening to the verbal SEO, and this is the written SEO, so it's going to compound, okay? So stay with me, and I'll show you actual ranking proof and more, okay? And all the bonuses you can get with joining my team that nobody else is going to give you, okay? But I want you to succeed, okay, with whatever you're promoting and make more money. We'll train you, we'll give you the best bonuses, we'll give you the best training for you, your team, your team's team, and their team's team, okay? So that's called unlimited bonuses, okay? Infinite bonuses, okay? There's a better term, but I can't think of it right now. So let's go. Home Business Academy, the infinite to-do list, why your freedom is a flat lie, okay? Now you see how this is 46 of 100, okay? This is the rank math, and it tells you exactly, see this red thing? It's showing you exactly what's wrong with your content. As soon as it's 75, and we have a long way to go, almost 30 points, but I'm going to show you how easy that is. Again, it shows you exactly what to do to fix it. Stay with me, okay? It's worth it. So most digital employers are just high-paid employees like with much more expensive problem. Most digital entrepreneurs. You likely started this journey for freedom, the ability to wake up when you want, travel when you want, and answer to no one. But if you look at your daily calendar, the reality is a 24-hour cycle of digital servitude. If you don't post, the reach dies. If you don't engage with every comment, the algorithm buries your next offer. You've traded a 9-to-5 boss for a 24/7 digital overlord that doesn't sleep and definitely doesn't care about your retirement plan. People don't join businesses. They join people who can solve their problems. Okay, they don't care about your lotions, potions, trip plan, etc. They care about what you think. They think what you can do for them if they know, like, and trust you. If your business requires your constant physical presence to survive, it's not an asset, it's an anchor. An anchor in the ocean will go straight to the bottom, right? Home Business Academy, escaping the manual maintenance trap. Most hustle is just low value maintenance. You're out there every single day patching leaks in a boat that was never engineered to sail the open ocean. If you're chasing people for lotions, potions, or pills, you are a miner knee deep in freezing water in a Reno stream. You are trading your life for a chance at a nugget. The maintenance trap happens when you build on rented land. Every time a social media post giant tweaks an algorithm, your business is at risk of being evicted. I'm just a messenger. When you join me in the Home Business Academy, we stop the manual labor. We don't sell products, we build infrastructure. We move you from the hustle trap to the merchant mindset, where the system does the heavy lifting while you preside over the warehouse. Home Business Academy, applying SEO math to industrialize infrastructure. A merchant doesn't spend their day patching leaks. They build a warehouse that stands for decades. The reason you join me specifically is that I provide the picks and shovels that actually duplicate for the average person. At any level you join, I provide the custom branded funnel of $550 value completely for free. This isn't a generic template. It's your personal brand optimized for whatever you and your team is building, okay? We're going to make you more money, and all you got to do is plug them into the site, okay? and you'll make more money every single month. Does that sound good to you? Paid straight to your bank account once you set it up. Okay. We also set up the automated email sequences that act as your Okay, I'm gonna fix that. We also set up the automated email sequence that act as your 150-day sieve. This is the industrialization of your income. You ever heard the money's on this? We're gonna give you 150 done for your emails to build your business, okay, and make you more money and get people to know, like, and trust you while out living their life. By applying SEO math, we turn lead generation to predictable, constant, rather than a variable lucky strike. And look at this badass image, okay? We have systems that set this up for you, and I haven't announced this yet, and do way more than that. Home Business Academy, and that's tied exact only to me, okay? Home Business Academy, auditing your path to digital sovereignty. If the major social platforms disappear tomorrow, what would you actually have left? The reason people follow me is that I solve the two biggest problems in this industry: duplication and training. Most marketers fail because they become the support desk for their team. In this system, you don't have to be the expert. Does that sound fun? Answering everybody's questions over and over again, the same questions over and over again every single day? We'll do the selling and telling and training for you, okay? And you can we'll build your own custom branded funnel for your business, whatever that might be. You plug your people and their people's people into our team leaders live training Monday through Friday. Our leader is a top 6 earner in multiple companies. He has cracked the code on duplication more times than most gurus have had sales. In my first 2 weeks with him, I learned more about the mechanics of wealth than I did in 15 years as an SEO marketing veteran. He trains the entire army for you, providing the exact daily steps needed for success. Home Business Academy transitioning from manual labor to systems governance. The goal of the system is to move you away from your maintenance and towards governance. For those who go on at all 3 zero levels, I take the lion's share of my profits and put it back into the scaling traffic engines. So I'm going to help build your list and get you traffic, leads, and potential even sales, signups for your business, okay? This isn't a one-time drop. This is a recurring compounding traffic pool, tier 1 traffic, okay? As more people join our team, that I'll be buying more and more traffic, okay, every single month, okay? Sound good to you? Elite bonuses, okay? And everything we have is duplicatable. So not only am I giving to you as your potential sponsor, you can give them to your people and they can give them to their people. I'm offering you a path to additional income stream that can pay up to $1,500. Okay, so I'm putting my skin in the game permanently to ensure your warehouse stays locked with fresh leads while you stay building your list, okay? I'm also offering you a path to additional income stream that can pay up to $1,500 per sale, and the system provides the training to reach it for free. Okay, you aren't digging in the mud. You're presiding over a professional distribution network where the training and tools are fully automated. Stop being proud of how hard you're digging. Start being embarrassed that you haven't plugged into the machine yet. Home Business Academy, the executive summary. Stop defending a sinking ship. People join people who have the answers. I have the funnels, the top tier live training from the top 6 earner, and the compounding scalable traffic to move you from janitors to sovereign. It's time to stop the manual labor and start the industrialization of your income. Drop audit below. I'm going to send you the sovereign infrastructure blueprint and the details of how to get your $550 custom funnel and daily live training started today. Okay? Free. Okay? You join me, you get these bonuses free. You can give them to your people and then give them to their people. And the training. Okay? We have the best training. We have the best bonuses. Home Business Academy FAQ. What makes the JJ Sally HBA training different? I plug you into a team leader who has been a top 6 earner in multiple businesses. He provides live daily training Monday to Friday that teaches the exact daily steps for duplication. I personally earned more in 2 weeks with him than 15 years in digital marketing with anybody else. All those people combined, okay? All those so-called gurus and leaders, okay? Your upline doesn't care about you, and they're probably not helping you, okay? They care about your money, though. How does the team training duplicate for my referrals? You don't have to be the trainer. You simply plug your people and their people into the live daily sessions. The system handles the duplication, ensuring everyone knows the exact steps to take every single day to scale their empire. What's the lion's share of traffic sales? Scale. If you join all 3 residual levels, I take the 128 commission and reinvest it into a recurring traffic pool. As our team grows, the traffic buy increases, providing a permanent and scaling flow of leads for everyone involved. What bonuses included for all levels. Every member receives a custom branded bundle. I haven't named all the bonuses, just some of them. 150-day automated email sieve. Okay, so we will give you the autoresponder messages. Okay, and access to the Dive daily training sessions conducted Monday through Friday, conducted by a top-tier mentor. Does that sound good? Okay, now I'm going to show you. This looks really daunting. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. You can go to Rank Math, edit snippet. Okay, and it's going to tell you what's wrong with it. Focus keyword does not appear in the SEO title. So I'm going to add one thing to it, right here. Copy. Paste. Boom. Look, it went up to 83. Okay, 46 to 83, almost 40 points, right? And now I can publish, okay? Does that sound good? And then I'm going to show you ranking proof. Publish. And our site. Okay, so I know you're here for the how to actually rank on YouTube every single time for whatever business. And not only are we going to teach you, but we're going to teach your people. And they can teach their people, okay? Your library. So it's all done for you. We have the videos, and we actually help you build your business live Monday through Friday, okay? On this elite team training site, okay? And the first step is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, this guy right here, okay? And you set up a date and a time for your call, right? And then you meet in the training room Monday through Friday, and your people meet in the training room. It gives you a time zone conversion. Enter the training room. He helps you build your business live, okay? That's the gold, okay? This is the gold, okay? And we also have a team bonus where, as a 100% free gift, you're able to claim access to Simple Free Rewards $7 Academy and earn 50% commissions on all products. Now, what does that mean? Okay, that means, okay, if somebody buys the Elite Marketer, for example, you get $300, half of the $300 to whatever payment processor you want. Okay, if somebody buys the Duplication formula and they can buy more than one level, you get half of $3,000, which is $1,500, and you didn't even pay $7. You got it for free. How powerful is that? Okay, we have the best bonuses. We have the best training. We are the best team for Home Business Academy, or HBA, at $25 business. Okay, and we have a DFY FFW link for beginners who do not have their branded funnel set up. We have thought of everything, okay? This is the training I was using every single day. This is the $7 level training you're going to get for free, okay? How to rank your videos first time on YouTube, okay? And even possibly Google. Now look, it's harder to do Google, but I'm going to show you that I actually ranked one of my most recent videos #1 on YouTube and Google, okay? So this is, you can see I'm incognito, right? I'm going to show you right here. Let me scroll up a little bit. Incognito, okay? That means these are real rankings, okay? #1 on YouTube, okay? I'm going to do it again so you see. #1 on YouTube, okay? And this is the trainer that I was telling you about. This is the trainer I was telling you about, okay? It doesn't matter what you're linking, you're trying to promote, okay? And I'm also going to take this part off, making it harder to rank. And look, I'm still the first page, okay? This is only a video a day ago with only 3 views. So you can get results right away, okay, with this. And we're going to check out Google. #1, the YouTube video, and I'm also #3 on Instagram, on the first page, okay? This is the actual social media post. How powerful is that, okay? Again, we plug you into the system and teach you how to do everything, okay? Everything. And you don't have to hire the SFW team, okay? You join HBA with under us. We go to this page, put your name, your best email, watch my video, and then get started, okay? At any level, you get all the same bonuses, all the same training for you and your team, except if you want to go all in, you get all of my traffic rotator, and I will buy traffic every single month, and I'll scale up as I add more and more people, okay? Again, that's Simple Freedom Warriors. This is the HBA team site, okay?
Welcome, Freedom Warrior.
Let me stop that, okay? Again, enter the training room, get the time zone conversion. This guy helps you set up your, make sure your system is ready to go. That's all he does on the coaching call, okay? And then he has videos, okay? These are exact steps, okay? Different videos telling you exactly how to do anything. How to do Facebook marketing, okay? Everything you need, okay? This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friendly neighborhood solid man. Don't delay, get with JJ today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.